And this will enable the robot to learn and adapt to new tasks quickly, making it very versatile and efficient. Also, their manufacturing capabilities will help them build high quality bots, just like they build high quality vehicles at scale. A lot of people are talking about them building 10 million, 20 million of these in the next 1 or 2 years. That would be incredible. And they will have an edge. They will have the best bot on the market, no doubt about that. They will have the scale, they will have the brain, they will have the neural networks that nobody else has at this stage. They also have energy and storage solutions, and they can integrate everything together. But this is coming, ladies and gentlemen. AI is both terrifying and exciting at the same time, but be prepared. Now, battery technology, another advantage they have. They build, design high quality batteries to contribute to the performance and range of its EVs, but these things will also be used in their Tesla Semi, their other vehicles, their vans coming, their Roadster, and their bots too.